Is the Kodak PIXPRO C1 a hidden gem or just a trendy paperweight? Let's find out if this retro-inspired camera is really worth your money, or if it's just cashing in on nostalgia. First off, the PIXPRO C1 is definitely not a scam. It's a real camera, and it comes with some fun tricks up its sleeve. But here's the deal, it's not trying to compete with your smartphone. Instead, it targets anyone who loves that throwback, early 2000s vibe. One of my favorite features? The flip-up 2.8-inch screen. It's perfect for selfies and vlogging on the go. And yes, you get those vintage filters. Retro, black and white, sepia, even an old-school timestamp. If you want your feed to scream Y2K, this camera's got you covered. But let's talk about image quality. With a 13-megapixel sensor, the C1's photos have a lo-fi charm, but don't expect miracles. In bright daylight, it's cute and quirky. As soon as the lights go down or you ask too much of it, you'll start to notice soft focus and limited dynamic range. And video? It shoots 1080p, but without stabilization or face tracking. Expect some shaky, out-of-focus moments. The build? Honestly, it's super light and pocketable, but it does feel plasticky. This isn't a camera you'll want to drop. Battery life is decent for a day out, and it's dead simple to use. If you want to hand a camera to a kid or a total beginner, the C1 is almost foolproof. So, should you buy it? If you want a fun, affordable camera for parties or a unique gift, the PIXPRO C1 is legit. But if you're chasing crisp photos or pro-level video, you'll get way more out of a used Canon IXUS or Sony Cybershot for the same price. Bottom line, the PIXPRO C1 is for the vibes, not the pixels. Are you here for the aesthetic or the quality?